This first new technology that I'm going to present on is Be Internet Awesome by Google. In the age of in the online age, in the online world, when kids are at a younger and younger age being exposed to online media, and with that online scams, they need a way to help them be safe, be responsible online, and practice good digital citizenship. I've heard the quote several times that there is no difference between good citizenship in the physical world and good citizenship on the digital world. Good citizenship is good citizenship no matter where it happens. So Be Internet Awesome is Google's attempt to help students in a fun and interactive way become, uh, familiarized with several things that might happen in their online world and to help them be prepared for it. So why I selected this new technology, it's more of a game, but something that everybody can play. Why I selected this is so that when our school adopts a online curriculum, a digital citizenship curriculum, which we're definitely heading toward, I would like to push this because I know for one, Google's not going away anytime soon. Number two, I think it's a nice interactive thing for kids to do. Um, so why I selected this and the purpose and the goal of this is really one and the same. So the intended audience will be the tech coordinators in my school as well as the administration, possibly school board that go along with this. So finally, to get to the video, just Google Be Internet Awesome and click on the link, the first link that comes up. I already loaded it on another tab. Um, so there's this place called Interland, and you can do any one of four different worlds around here that you can see. Um, uh, this particular world, I'll just go through one real quick, um, has to do with some cyberbullying, what you should and should not say. Kids get points and make their way through the level. The only thing with the Internet Awesome is it does take a while to load. This isn't unique to just my place, but actually on the school Wi-Fi, it takes a while as well. See here, there's just directions. So again, this is to promote, and I mean, most people have had it, but we've had issues at our school with, negative social media posts, either directed at a person, whether it be a student, a teacher, an event, or anything like that. Um, so as we go through here, we collect hearts, which people like. You see your friend that is sad, and you want to give them things, give them happiness. You see here, this goes on. So, all right, I'm not going to bore you with the game, but as you go along here, your goal is to find your friends, make them happy on here, and eventually at later levels, you'll come to a some bullies, if you will, and you have to kind of shut them down and report them, just like we encourage our students to do. Um, whether it's to somebody at the school or even contacting, whatever social media site it is as well, to try and stop someone who is being a bully, putting out private information or anything like that. So that's what this world is in a bit, or in a nutshell. The other three worlds are various digital citizenship things. There's one that actually goes through questions and saying it'll ask you a question about content online, and then it asks you to pick who you should share it with, whether it's safe to put out there just for your friends to see, maybe for coworkers, or then the internet as a whole. And depending on how you do, you get points and whatnot, like things like that. There's another one of the other worlds has to do with passwords and appropriate passwords that will be, um, you know, able to protect your identity online so that it can't be stolen. So anyway, to round this out, I know I didn't show you a whole lot, but this is Be Internet Awesome. My kids, all the way from 7th grade up to 11th grade, have played it this year. I would like to see it for our school become part of the a digital citizenship curriculum that we can get all students on the same page so that we all have at least a basic understanding. As I said, I would promote it only because Google isn't going around. I think they make quality products, and this interactive game is a good way um, to make the best use of your time, in my opinion. So if you have a Friday, like I have, current events is a large part of social studies, and we actively promote citizenship, whether it's digital or physical. So on some Fridays, I'll have my students play games. It's a nice activity if I'm gone, all the while they're learning about good things to do online. So once again, this is Be Internet Awesome by Google, and I would highly encourage you to check it out.